Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a fear of failure with Skillshare easy tutorial step by step clearly. Recognize that fear of failure is a common challenge for many individuals. Acknowledge your feelings and understand that they are valid. Identify the specific situations or tasks that trigger your fear. Take a moment to write these fears down to clarify your thoughts. Set achievable goals that focus on progress rather than perfection. Break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Engage with Skillshare's diverse range of courses that align with your interests. Choose classes that encourage personal development, creativity, and skill building. Participate in projects and assignments offered in these courses. Practice self-compassion by giving yourself permission to make mistakes. Celebrate small wins to build your confidence gradually. Reflect on your learning experiences and identify areas for improvement. Join discussions in the Skillshare community to share your progress. Seek feedback from peers to gain new perspectives on your work. Continue to challenge yourself with new projects as you grow. Remember that failure is a part of the learning journey. Embrace each experience as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Stay consistent and committed to your learning process. Keep revisiting your fears to ensure you continue to confront them head-on. Incorporate relaxation techniques to manage stress and anxiety. Most importantly, be patient with yourself as you navigate through this journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.